Hi everyone, Noise here. Today we make a real special Thai dish. This is everyone's favorites all around the world. Thai fish cake. This is not just Thai fish cake, this is Noi Thai fish cake. Extra special. I'm gonna show you the way. Now let's cooking.
That's good.
Go. Now let's talk about the fish. In Thailand, we like to use mackerel. You can use snapper or the firm white fish. Okay, let's go. I'm gonna show you how to mint the fish. No food processor. Just take a spoon. Now I need the spoon in the water. I just grab the fish gently with the spoon. Come up with a nice chunk. This is crisp you need. Nothing fancy. I just use the whole fillets. Just gently, right down to the skin. So easy. See all the fish all minced up. Okay, all done. See how easy? I'm gonna put my fish in a big bowl. I like a little bit of salt in my fish cake. Just one egg. I crack the egg in the bowl first. Gotta get a good whisk. Now into the fish. Next step, very important. You need a good curry paste. Otherwise, fish cake no good. I'm gonna use Marion curry paste. Marion curry paste is the best. She's beautiful too. Aww. Now some fish sauce and a little bit sugar on my fish cake. Next, we slice a snake bean. Good snake bean. You can't get snake bean, you can use regular bean. Now I'm gonna get a good chop, have to slice very fine. Now we got fresh curry lamb. I show you how to peel it. Hold like this and you peel the stem. The stem no good. You put all together and you roll it up. Cut nice and fine. Now chop sideways. I don't want too big. Okay, now I'm gonna give it a good mix. Need to use your hand, people. Now we will bring all together. Make a good slap. Slapping, people. Now look nice and firm and sticky. Just a few minutes. You watch, let's go. My oil is nice and hot. I get a little bowl. I squash with my thumb. This is the real Thai way. Mix it straight to the pan. Don't crowd the pan. Keep it moving. Everyone will like it. Oh, golden brown. All done. Up they come. Everyone should eat fish cake. Good for your brain. So easy. Now we're going to make a dipping sauce. Thai fish cake always have a dipping sauce. First we're going to add the cucumber. We got a nice cute little one, the Thai one. Cut it half. Nice fine slice in the bowl. Next we're going to add the shallot. Now we're going to get the fine slice into the cucumber. Next we're going to add the sweet chili. I'm going to use Marion Kitchen spicy sweet chili. It's the best. Now we're going to add it into my bowl. Next going to crush the peanut. Get peanut into my butter. I just crush it. Now into my bowl. Now we're going to get the sauce a good mix. Now let's serving. Gonna put a fish cake in the place. Here we go. Oh, they look good. Still nice and hot. Oh, so pretty. Pretty.
Yeah.
Oh, so pretty. Another winner from Noi.